a tiny startup takes down a global giant? Hello and welcome everyone. My name is Mekdes Alemu-Bee, and today me and my team members have prepared about the secret weapon that levels up the playing field. We will explore about the strategic role of information systems in helping startups compete with large companies. And by the end of this video, you will understand the key advantages of information system. You will be able to connect the lessons to your own context and see how information system can transform small ideas into powerful enterprises. Now picture this, a small startup with just 5 people working out of a shared office, competing against a global corporation with thousands of employees and billions in resources. Sounds impossible, right? But here's the secret. In today's digital economy, startups have a weapon that levels up the playing field: modern information systems. They allow small startups to overcome these disadvantages and compete effectively. These systems help organizations collect, process, and use information to improve decision making, efficiency, and strategic planning. በቀላል አማርኛ ስንረዳው ኢንፎርሜሽን ሲስተም ድርጅቶችን መረጃ ለመሰብሰብ፣ ለመስራት፣ ለማከማቸትና ለማስተዋወቅ ይረዳሉ። ይህም ውሳኔ መስጠትን፣ ብቃትን እና ስትራቴጂክ እቅድን ያሻሽላል። Now let's set the stage. What exactly is an information system? It's not just computers, apps, or either hardware or software. It's a powerful combination of people, data, process, and technology, all working together to collect, process, store, and distribute information. Organizations use them to support decision making, improve operations, increase productivity, and gain competitive advantage. Let's explore these advantages one by one. The first one is support decision making. Information systems provide managers with accurate data and analysis to make better and faster decisions. አስተዳዳሪዎች ትክክለኛ ትንታኔ በመስጠት የተሻለና ፈጣን ውሳኔ እንዲሰጡ ይረዳል። ለምሳሌ ስታርባክስን እንውሰድ። ስታርባክስ ማለት በአሜሪካ ውስጥ ታዋቂ ኮፊ ሃውስ ካምፓኒ ነው። Starbucks uses information system to analyze customer purchase data by tracking which drinks sell best in different regions. They decide which products to promote or introduce. This data-driven decision making increases sales and customer satisfaction. They can even give feedback for what to improve. And the second one is it improves business operations. Information systems streamline processes, reduce errors, and make operations more efficient. ሂደቶችን ያቀላጥፋል፣ ስህተቶችን ይቀንስልናል። ለምሳሌ የራሳችን የሆነውን የኢትዮጵያ አየር መንገድን መውሰድ እንችላለን። የኢትዮጵያ አየር መንገድ ቀላል የቲኬት ማዘዣ እና የቲኬት ስርዓት ይጠቀማል። This system streamline flight scheduling, reduce errors, and improve customer service. ፓሴንጀሮች ቲኬቶችን ኦንላይን ቡክ ማድረግ ይችላሉ፣ ዲጂታሊ ቼኪንግ ማድረግ ይችላሉ, and can receive updates instantly if there is any delay in the flight or rescheduling. And the third one is it helps improve productivity. ምርታማነትን ያሳድጋሉ። Information systems help employees collaborate, automate tasks, and accomplish more in less time. በአጭር ጊዜ ብዙ ነገር ለመፈጸም ያስችላል። For example, Microsoft Teams is used by startups worldwide to collaborate. Teams allow employees to share files, chat, and hold virtual meetings online. ይህም ምርታማነትን ያሳድጋል። ምክንያቱም ሰዎች በተለያዩ ቦታዎች በተለያዩ ጂኦግራፊካል ሎኬሽኖች ቢሆኑም እንኳ አንድ ላይ በቀላሉ ለመስራት እንዲችሉ እድልን ይፈጥራል ማለት ነው። And the fourth one is it lets them gain competitive advantage. Information systems give startups unique strengths that help them compete with large companies. Our main point in this video today ማለት ነው. And we can see the Ethiopian ride-hailing app gain competitive advantage by using mobile apps technology to connect drivers and passengers. Unlike traditional taxi services, Ride offers convenience, transparency in pricing, and safety features. This allows it to compete directly with large transport providers. And here's the kicker: for startups, these systems are lifelines. They allow small teams to operate efficiently and make smarter strategic decisions. ማለትም አንድ ትንሽ ቡድን በኢንፎርሜሽን ሲስተም አማካኝነት አንድ ትልቅ ኩባንያ ሊሰራ ይችላል። Think of one app or two you use daily that makes your life easier. Drop it in the comments. We'll see how close it is to being part of an information system. If we ask if there are any challenges faced by startups, of course, startups face real challenges. They face massive hurdles. Some of them are limited financial resources. Startups often don't have enough money to invest in marketing, infrastructure, or hiring many employees. And at this company, ምርቱን ለማስተዋወቅ በቴሌቪዥን ወይም በራዲዮ ላይ ትልቅ ወጪ መክፈል አይችልም። On the contrary ደግሞ አንድ ትልቅ ካምፓኒ ብዙ ዶላር ወይ ብዙ ብር በማስታወቂያ ላይ ሊያወጣ ይችላል። Another one is small teams and limited staff. Startups usually have a very few employees, so one person may have to do a lot of jobs at a time. አንድ ሰው በአንድ ጊዜ የሽያጭ ሰራተኛ፣ የገንዘብ አስተዳደር እና የደንበኞች አገልግሎት ሊሰራ ይችላል። በትልቅ ካምፓኒ ውስጥ ግን ለእያንዳንዱ ስራ ተለይቶ ስፔሲፊክ የሆነ ሰው ይመደባል። And the other thing is lack of brand recognition and market power, like little to no brand recognition. Startups are new, so customers don't know their name or trust their places yet. There's time needed. ለምሳሌ አንድ አዲስ የሶፍት ድሪንክ ኩባንያ ብንከፍት ሰዎች በመጀመሪያ እንደ ኮካ ኮላ ያሉ ሶፍት ድሪንክ መጠጦችን ነው ምርጫቸው የሚያደርጉት እንጂ እኛን አይመርጡንም። Meanwhile, large companies can pour millions into marketing, infrastructure, and operations. Startups will be left with almost nothing. These challenges make it very hard for startups to compete with large companies. The good news is that modern information systems can help them overcome and fight back. So, how do startups actually compete? Let's break it down. Information systems help startups compete with large organizations in several important ways. Let's look at 4 key areas. The first one is improving efficiency and reducing costs. Cloud-based systems mean startups don't need expensive infrastructure. Tools like online accounting, cloud storage, and project management software cut costs and boost productivity. And company በጉግል ድራይቭ ውስጥ መረጃ ማከማቸት ስለሚችል ትልቅ ሰርቨር መግዛት አያስፈልገውም ማለት ነው። Imagine running a company from a laptop. That's the power of the cloud. And the second one is better decision making. Data is the new gold. Information systems help startups analyze customer behavior, sales trends, and market demand. With this, managers can make faster and smarter decisions. In competitive markets, speed is survival. አንድ ካምፓኒ በፌስቡክ የሚሰጠውን መረጃ ወይም ከከስተመር የሚያገኘውን ፊድባክ በመመርመር የትኛው ምርት ተፈላጊ እንደሆነ or ምን ማሻሻል እንዳለበት ምን መተው እንዳለበት ያያል ማለት ነው። And the third one is digital marketing and customer reach. Here's where startups shine. Social media, e-commerce platforms, online marketplaces, they allow small companies to reach global audiences. A local brand can steadily sell worldwide. ለምሳሌ አንድ ትንሽ የቡና ካምፓኒ በኢንስታግራም or በቲክቶክ ወይም በተለያዩ የሶሻል ሚዲያ ፕላትፎርሞች ምርቱን በማስተዋወቅ ዓለም አቀፍ ደንበኞችን ማፍራት ይችላል። ወደ ኤክስፖርት ዘርፉ መቀላቀል ይችላል። And the fourth one is innovation and agility. Startups are flexible. Information systems let them develop and launch digital products quickly, test new models, and pivot or adapt when markets shift. Agility beats size, and that's why startups can outmaneuver big corporations. Agility ማለት ቀላልነት ማለት ነው። TikTok is a powerful example of agility. When short-form video content became popular, TikTok used information systems, algorithms, user data analysis, and cloud infrastructure to adapt instantly. Within months, it introduced new features like live streaming, e-commerce integration, and AI-driven recommendations. This agility allowed TikTok to outpace competitors like Vine and even challenge giants like YouTube. Let's see some real-world examples. Many successful companies started as a small startup but used information systems to grow rapidly. For example, as I mentioned in this video earlier, we can see Ride, an Ethiopian ride-hailing app. It uses GPS and mobile technology to connect passengers with drivers. Instead of waiting on the street, customers can book a car instantly, track the driver, and pay through the app. This solved a big problem in Addis Ababa, where finding taxis flexibly anywhere was often difficult. There could even be some of you here who use Ride in Addis. That's an Ethiopian startup solving a local transport challenge with information systems. And globally, we can also see Uber. Uber didn't own taxis. It built a digital platform that connected drivers and passengers worldwide. By using GPS, mobile apps, and online payments, Uber disrupted the transport industry. Today, millions of rides are booked daily through Uber, showing how information systems can scale a simple idea globally. If we come to social media platforms, we can look at like Instagram. Instagram allows startups to make products visually. A small fashion brand can post photos using hashtags and reach thousands of customers without paying for traditional advertising. Today, information systems here turn creativity into global visibility. How many of you follow Ethiopian brands on Instagram? That's startups using information systems to reach you directly. Even some of you here could be using it to promote your business. Companies these days use digital platforms and data systems to compete with traditional industries. Their success shows how powerful information systems systems can be in enabling small companies to challenge large established businesses. Ladies and gentlemen, as we reach the conclusion of this video, let us reflect on the central message. We begin by asking how startups with limited resources can compete against giants with money, manpower, and market dominance. The answer we discovered is clear. Information systems are great equalizer in today's digital economy. They transform weakness into strength, limitation into opportunity, and small beginnings into global impact. So, here's the bottom line. Information systems are not just tools. They are the strategic backbone of startups. They help improve efficiency, reduce costs, make smarter decisions, reach global customers, and innovate faster. As technology evolves, these systems will only grow critical. And maybe, just maybe, the next big disruptor will be your startup. So here's the challenge I leave you with. Imagine a startup here using information systems to solve problems in transport, agriculture, or even education. That startup could be yours, or it could be even sitting right next to you. The tools are available, the opportunities are real, and the future is waiting. If this inspired you, smash that like button, subscribe for more insights, and share this video for someone who's dreaming of launching his own business. Remember, in the digital economy, agility beats size. Thank you.